Hello and good day, lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance channel. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that could revolutionize your oral health. Have you ever heard of probiotics for your teeth and gums? Buckle up because we're diving into a brand new, scientifically backed dental solution that's unlike anything you've ever tried. We all want a healthy smile, right? But did you know that common dental products can sometimes harm the delicate microbiome in your mouth? It's true. That's why we're introducing you to something remarkable: probiotics specially designed for your teeth and gums. Our dental probiotics are backed by clinical research. A recent study published in the prestigious Springer Nature journal revealed a fascinating connection. People with good teeth often have a thriving population of good bacteria in their mouths. Now we're here to explain why this discovery is a game changer. What makes our product so unique? It's the only one in the world with a powerful blend of 3.5 billion probiotics and key nutrients, specially designed to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria. Inside, you'll find a powerhouse of ingredients, including Lactobacillus Paracasei, Lactic BL-04oaL, Lactobacillus Reuteri, and a proprietary blend of 4 plants and minerals. These elements have been clinically proven to support the health of your teeth and gums. Let's dive deeper into the benefits. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and helps keep your sinuses clear. Lactic BL-04oaL balances mouth bacteria and supports your respiratory tract. Lactobacillus Reuteri aids in reducing inflammation and maintaining a healthy mouth environment. Plus, our proprietary blend includes ingredients like inulin, malic acid, tricalcium phosphate, and peppermint. Join the wellness revolution for your oral health. Our probiotics are non-GMO, gluten-free, easy to use, and non-habit forming. It's time to transform your oral health naturally and rediscover the joy of a healthy smile. Ready to take the leap into a new era of dental care? Click the link in our description to learn more and start your journey towards healthier teeth and gums. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on transformative insights like this one. Your support is invaluable to us. Thank you for joining us today as we explore this exciting frontier in oral health. We wish you a lifetime of wellness and healthy smiles. Until next time, stay safe and be well.